Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to scan QR code on my Android. So what to do for this? You will have to just simply open the Play Store on the Android device. So when it's open, you will have to just search for QR code scanner. So make sure you will follow the step by step. I will write to QR code scanner on Play Store. So you will see the QR code scanner of this. You can see I will already download it. You will download of this. So I will open it. So when it's open, the interface of like this, you can the product which that have a QR code, you can the mobile camera of the rear, and you will scan it. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.